All right, good morning. Today is Monday, November 14th, 2022. The markets are kind of mixed here, maybe down a little bit here this morning after a cooling inflation number ignited a powerful rally last week, which we'll get into here a little bit more in a minute or two. First, a quick reminder, the day after tomorrow, Wednesday morning at 11 a.m., we have our next capital markets update and outlook event. Again, this is your opportunity to kind of look over our shoulder and see what we are seeing in the markets. We cover the positives, we talk about the headwinds or the negatives, and we talk about the outlook for what we think it means is ahead. As we look forward to 2023, this is an important monthly update, and I encourage you to attend. If you'd like to do so, you can head on over to our website and you can sign up for the event there. This month will be online only, so it's a Zoom call. It'll also be broadcast on various social medias as well. So you can go to the website and pick the platform that you would like to join us on. Of course, it will be recorded, and so if you're not able to join us to attend Wednesday morning at 11 a.m. Central, the recording will be on the website for you to watch when it is convenient for you. All right, with that, I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro, and then we'll take a closer look at what happened in the markets last week. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. A cooling inflation number ignited a powerful rally on Thursday, sending stocks to strong gains for the week. The Dow Jones Industrials Average gained 4.15%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 index added 5.9%. The NASDAQ Composite Index rose 8.1% for the week. Yes, you see that correctly. It was up over 8% just last week alone. And the MSCI EAFE index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, picked up 5.72%. A lower than expected inflation report triggered the biggest one-day stock market gain in more than 2 years, as the news raised investors' hopes that the Fed might consider easing the pace of future rate hikes. If you've been joining us in the last few monthly update calls, like the one we have Wednesday morning, we've been talking a bit about this. Any less bad news, and we would see the markets amplified to the upside. And that's exactly what happened on Thursday. We had a lighter than expected inflation number, and that caused the markets to rally hard on Thursday. The day's gains were pronounced in the hard hit technology sector as the tech heavy NASDAQ added 7.35% on Thursday alone. Stocks initially rallied to start the week, but gave up some gains on Wednesday following a muddy and indecisive outcome to the midterms. Friday saw stocks build on their gains to close out an exceptional week. So consumer prices rose slower in October, increasing 0.4% for the month and 7.7% from 12 months ago. Both numbers were below market expectations of 0.6% and 7.9%. Again, less bad. The core CPI, which excludes energy and food, rose a more modest 0.3% on a monthly basis and 6.3% from a year ago. The deceleration in prices was mainly attributable to price declines in used cars, which were down 2.4%, apparel down 0.7%, and medical care services down 0.6%. Despite the progress, inflation remains well above the Fed's 2% target rate. And a look behind the numbers shows that October's 7.7% CPI was fueled by the largest monthly jump in shelter costs since 1990, up 0.8%. Shelter costs account for 1/3 of the CPI, of that big inflation number. Energy was up 1.8%, while food costs rose 0.6% for the month. As always, we will keep our finger on the pulse of what's happening and will automatically make changes in your managed accounts as we deem are in your best interest. If we're not managing your life savings for you, I encourage you to go take a look at our personalized approach at smartmixportfolios.com. All right, that brings us to the end of this week's update. Thank you for staying until the end. I've got another riddle for you. Again, be the first person to post the correct answer down below this video on either Facebook or on LinkedIn, and we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. All right, so this week's riddle is, I'm usually standing on a city sidewalk, and I will always stand by your car. But if you don't feed me, I may get you into trouble. What am I? Again, be the first one to post the correct answer down below this video on either Facebook or on LinkedIn, and we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. If you would like the answer to previous week's riddles, you can go check out those answers at our website, investwithccg.com/riddles. And then lastly, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update for the week. So if you're not getting that and you would like it, please also head on over to our website. You can subscribe to that email. Comes out about 3 o'clock Central Time. Again, at www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.